One known cause of toilet flapper failure is deterioration caused by the growth of bacteria on the flapper, which could lead to thousands of gallons of water loss each year, enough to fill a swimming pool. Fluidmaster, a global icon in the plumbing industry, together with Microban International, is taking toilet flappers to the next level. The antimicrobial technology of Microban enhances and protects high-quality products from microbes and fights breakdown due to bacteria. Built directly into the flapper during manufacturing, it continues to protect for the life of your flapper and won't wear away or rub off. On unprotected surfaces, bacteria can double in number every 20 minutes. With Microban antimicrobial product protection, your surface is protected 24/7 from uncontrolled bacterial growth. Fluidmaster offers 4 product types that are manufactured with Microban technology. The 500 and 501 series flappers for 3.5 gallon per flush or larger toilets, the 502 series for 1.6 gallon per flush toilets, and the 555C flush valve repair kit for 3.5 or larger gallon per flush toilets. Only Fluidmaster flappers offer the built-in antimicrobial power of Microban technology. You can count on Fluidmaster to always deliver the best possible solutions for your leaky flapper and other toilet repair needs.
Is your toilet running? Sounds like you need a new flapper. But which one fits your toilet? The Corky Universal Ultra Water Saver Flapper is your worry-free replacement for any 2-inch flapper. It replaces any color or style. Upgrade from floats and plugs to the sleek, reliable design. The Ultra Saver has the widest range of adjustment to deliver performance in any toilet, old or new, flushing the right amount of water every time, saving you money. The Ultra Water Saver's red rubber resists chlorine, harsh water, and is proven longest lasting for the best seal and durability. The Corky Ultra Water Saver Flapper, the easy choice when replacing a flapper.
There's a Corky flapper to fit any toilet tank. The Corky 2-inch toilet tank flapper is designed for toilets made before 1994 and fit 2-inch plastic flush valves. This original toilet flapper is the choice of plumbing pros since Corky invented the flapper in 1954. Proudly manufactured in the USA, Corky flappers are made of 100% rubber for the best seal and come with a stainless steel chain.
The Corky Universal 3-inch flapper is the only flapper that can match the performance of all 3-inch flappers. The Universal 3-inch flapper is manufactured with an unmatched chemical-resistant red rubber for the best seal and durability. Corky red rubber flappers resist chlorine and harsh water and are proven longest lasting. With the widest range of adjustability, the Corky Universal 3-inch flapper can restore original performance and optimize the flush in any toilet. There's a Corky flapper to fit any toilet tank. Corky flappers are made of 100% rubber for the best seal and come with a stainless steel chain. The exclusive longest lasting red rubber resists chlorine, bacteria, city water treatment, hard water, and well water. Corky red rubber flappers come with a 5-year warranty and all Corky products are proudly made in the USA. When replacing a toilet flapper, choose the one guaranteed to last the longest. Designed to fix slow refilling, running, and noisy toilets, the Corky Quiet Fill Toilet Fill Valve is more than 2 times quieter than other fill valves. It replaces old technology such as ball cocks. It has a universal design to fit all brands and features a wide range of adjustability to fit most 2-piece and 1-piece toilets. The Corky Quiet Fill Valve is very easy to install and adjust. No tools are required. This kit also includes the universal, long-lasting Corky Plus Flash.